Please like and subscribe.
So this is just going to be a look at video. I was going to use this for something, and I was going to show you what I was using it for, but that's not going to happen. So I'm going to have to just show you the video now, and if I'll do a second video regarding if they're working for me. Now, be careful using these. One of the issues I have is that, to me, it's more about making sure that this doesn't come off. So according to the web page, you shouldn't use this on any piece of furniture that's weighing over 100 pounds. Plus, take into account that it's going to stick to the wall. So like if I was sticking it here, I wouldn't worry too much, because these stickers are really, really good. I've used them in the past, these types of stickers, and they stick very well. But these won't remove, nothing will come off, so those stick pretty well. And I might even use 1, 2, maybe even 4 of them just to make sure. But on certain walls, maybe so a wall like this that has paint, you might actually, you know, if it's pulled too hard, it might actually peel the paint. The product may not be bad, but it may just stick. If you have like a let's say a weak area on the wall where a chunk of it can just fall off by you pulling on it, that's another issue. So keep that into account. It is very convenient not having to drill, and that's why I got it. I'm using it for something that's not too much of a big deal. And let me see, I think these are the actual cables, and this is the information. So let me show it to you and we can look at it together. Now, I've used anchors in the past, like the ones from, I think IKEA sells it with their furniture. It comes with their furniture. And they will, and they work. You drill them into the wall and they work really, really well. So you could get one of those as well besides this one. But they, you know, they look like they're really strong and they look industrial. I like these. Let me count these first because they look nice. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 pairs or 20 individual items. This should be 10 as well. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And some screws as well. So I guess you can screw them in if you want. We'll look at that to see how it comes with anchors and screws. Looks like 4 screws in each packet and 4 anchors in each packet. So I'll look at that really quickly. Nothing else in the box besides the instructions. Let me measure this from end to end so you can get an idea. It said 8 inches. I'm going to say 8 inches. Screws themselves, as you can see, you know what, let me take them out. About 1 inch in length. Let me just confirm, I can't see it. Almost 1 inch. And the anchors themselves, more than an inch. So they look nice. Well, they look nice in the picture. It's a really cool idea. I like the way they look and the way you put them on with the screw. This is the size, so you'll know. It's not very thick, but these things stick. I stuck one of these in my bathroom, and wow, they just stick. I can't even get the sticker off. I have to use something to remove it. But it comes with these kinds of screws. You screw it in, and it keeps it in place. I'm assuming hand tightening would be fine. Not sure. I think so. Just read the instructions. Go by whatever is you believe is safer for your situation. Do not go by what I'm showing you here. And you screw it in. Nice. Pretty cool. And it stays screwed. All right. What else can I show you? I guess a close-up of these items. They look pretty strong, these cables. And again, it says nothing more than 100 pounds. And I would, for extra safety, in some way, shape, or form, use screws, unless you're using this on something that really is not too dangerous. But if you're really concerned, I would, you know, get the ones with screws, or screw one in over here, maybe here somewhere, make a hole and then drill it in, which will be just fine. I might actually do that, you know, in the future when I use these. But they look pretty nice. I like them. Maybe if you use 2 or more, it'll be even extra safety. My whole thing is is the paint coming off the wall when it's pulled on. That would always concern me. So I would, when I use them, I'm probably going to pull on it to make sure that the paint doesn't easily just rip off. Now, if you do that, you're gonna have to paint again. It's not gonna look great. But I think on solid pieces of material like here, like I said, it should be okay. I don't know nothing about this, and again, it's about safety. So this is just a showing video and my own unprofessional review. Just be, you know, mindful and concerned. But it's a pretty cool idea. Maybe this will fit your needs. And again, it's just a look at. I guess this can be the end of my video. Anything else? I could, you know what? Let me do this. Just because I have it here, let me weigh this. Just in case you're curious about the weight. It doesn't weigh much. And let's weight one of the cables. Zero it. Not much weight at all. This will be the weight with the screw on it. Thank you for watching. Bye now.
It would be really nice if you would like and subscribe to the channel.